Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are going to be doing a fall try-on haul. So most of these items are from SHEIN, but we did throw a little bit of Forever 21 and H&M in just for a little razzle dazzle, but it's still going to be pretty affordable. So if you want to see how I style all these looks, then go ahead and just continue to watch. So let's talk about this first dress. I'm obsessed with the collar. I love the length. It literally goes all the way down past my ankles and it fits me like a glove. So you could even pair this dress with a purse if you wanted to, and it's just such a cute and classy vibe. And I think it's just because the dress goes all the way down to the floor, so you could even pair it with a really cute pair of boots, or I'm probably going to be pairing it with mules. So I got these really pretty mules from SHEIN. They're like a perfect transitional mule. I feel like these are perfect to wear like in the fall because it's not snowing yet and you still might want to have your toes out for a little bit longer. So I thought that these would be perfect to wear with jeans or sweaters, and this is like a really cute way to still incorporate a mule in the fall. I am obsessed with this dress. It's just so loose fitting and just so comfortable. This is one of those dresses that literally is just like a staple item. You can literally slip it right on because it is so baggy, and the sleeves are really playful. I'm going to be pairing mine with boots and a bag just so that you guys can kind of see how I'm going to be styling this one. But let's just go ahead and move on to the next dress. So I felt like this was giving fall at the time when I bought it, but now I feel like it's just giving kind of like New Year's Eve in Mexico. I don't really know. I feel like the dress is definitely a vibe. I love the pattern. So let me show you guys how you could style a dress like this to make it appropriate for fall. So in order to make this dress more fall appropriate, I just went ahead and added a leather jacket and some rings. You could also pair boots with it or any type of jacket or coat, and I feel like you could definitely make the dress look a little bit more appropriate for... I'm sorry, I live next to a train, but you can definitely make this dress a little bit more appropriate if you add like some type of jacket or something like that. So I love this dress. The only thing I'm going to say about this dress is it is a little bit more on the itchy side. Let me come a little bit closer so you guys can really see the material. But it is that material that's just like kind of furry and fuzzy in a way. So be careful with this, but let's just go ahead and move on to the next piece. Okay, so we are moving on to shirts. So trying to figure out how to put this shirt on is a struggle. I'm not even gonna lie. They literally need to make a manual or something. Like I said, if you can figure out how to put this on, then you'll love it. But it was so hard, just like trying to figure out which ways to twist it. But it actually comes with like a shawl, and I'm obsessed with this. Doing everything to do with this color for the fall, but just like the sleeves, just is so freaking cute. And I love that I added these khaki pants because I'm also obsessed with the pants. These are also from SHEIN. So we are back. Here's the black bodysuit. Let me just fix my hair. Whenever I'm like changing my clothes and stuff, especially when I have on a turtleneck, I always clip my hair up just because it makes me cringe when my hair begins stuck like in the turtleneck and underneath my armpits. I ordered a 2-pack and I just decided to keep it simple with this look, so I just paired mine with a chain and some jeans. These jeans are also from SHEIN and I'm obsessed with these. I love the color of them, I love the wash, and they are the perfect length. They stop right above the ankle, so these are going to be really good to wear with any type of sneaker or boot. I'll show y'all the boot that I'm wearing mine with. Okay, so this is just the second way I decided to style this bodysuit, and I just added a long cream skirt and I just have on my black mules with this. It just looks like it was made with so much love. Like this skirt legit looks like it was like knitted by hand, and I just really appreciate it. And I just also decided to accessorize this with a bag, and overall I just really like the way that you can, you know, use the bodysuit more than just the one way. These are just super interchangeable. It's definitely the next day, but my camera died yesterday and I ended up running out to go to the mall, and I found some other stuff that I really wanted to incorporate in this video, and also a pair of shoes came that I really wanted to incorporate in this video. I think the last piece that I showed y'all was just the black bodysuit, so this is the white bodysuit, and they actually came in a 2-pack. So this is just how I'm pairing this one. I have a necklace over the collar, and I actually paired this one with some jeans, and I also have some boots on with this. So this is a really cute way to wear it. You could pair this one with a bag. You could also just throw on a jacket. I'm just gonna say, if you don't take anything else away from this video, make sure you have like 2 basic turtlenecks in your collection for the fall. You can just do so many like interchangeable looks with this. So this is just one way you can incorporate the bodysuit. Now I'm going to show you guys another way you can incorporate this bodysuit. So I am obsessed with this hoodie or crew neck or whatever you call it. This is so freaking cute. This is just giving I live downtown Chicago, I'm going on a coffee date, I'm walking around. Like this hoodie is just so trendy, and I love how I layered the turtleneck underneath, and I also love the chunky jewelry that I ordered. This jewelry is also from SHEIN, and I feel like it's just perfect. It's the perfect size to accessorize with. Only thing with SHEIN jewelry is sometimes it does turn, so I honestly didn't get this for like longevity. I just got it to like wear the looks that I want to wear, but this whole look is just so trendy, and I just love these vibes. I just feel like super youthful, and it's almost giving like, is it giving like college to y'all? I don't know. I just really like it. Anyways, let me go ahead and move on to the next look. So I actually just clipped my hair up just to change, and it's kind of cute. That's not really what I was going for this, so let me go ahead and just put my hair down and everything. But I'm not mad at this little clippy half up hairstyle. I am just obsessed with this whole look. I think it's just like mixing the textures, the texture of the skirt with the bag. It just really does something. I don't know what it is. And I also love how the under boob area is just like really carved out. I also love the sleeves on this shirt, and I just love how this came together. Let me do a quick overview of the shoes so that you guys can see the whole outfit together. So I love this dress. I actually picked this one up yesterday when I went out to the mall, and I got this at Forever 21, and from a distance you'll think that this is cheetah print, but if you get a little bit closer you'll see that it says honey. And I love this font, and I also just love like the tones and the colors in this dress, and I'm definitely gonna be pairing mine with this bag. I got this bag from H&M, and I am obsessed with it. So I have established that this fall I'm gonna be wearing a lot of creams and just like brighter nudes, and I just am obsessed with like the ivories and like all of those brighter cream tones. So bag is from H&M, and this is just what it looks like, and the material is definitely more on like the plush side, and it's actually pretty big. Like the bag is actually larger than it looks. So I don't know what happened to my video audio with these clips, but I don't know where the sound went. I just still wanted to insert these outfits because they're really cute and they definitely go with this fall vibe. So here are some more clips, and yeah. Okay, so I just really wanted to save the best for last. This is honestly like one of my favorite sweaters from the order. I'm probably going to be styling this with a bag and maybe my cream boots or something, but I just love everything about the sweater. It's just so cozy, and I love like the unique cutouts of the sweater. I love the fact that it's a turtleneck, and this is just such a cute sweater for like a date night. You can wear this with jeans. I probably could have put this on with the skirt, so this is definitely like super playful, but I just really like it. So that is my last piece from this order. That does bring us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you did enjoy the video, and also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out on any of these cute outfits I post. I'll leave my Instagram name here, but that's all I have to say for today's video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.